Okay, today we're going to be using the uActivate to test the fuel pump circuit on this 2011 Chevrolet Corvette using the amp probe. And we're going to use a TA473 with the picoscope. And so the way we do this, we identify where the relay is. I've already done that here. We're going to pull the relay out, and this one is a micro 280. And we use the appropriate adapter, okay? And in a previous video, we talked about how to verify the correct polarity here. We would just turn on our LED switch, go ahead and plug that in. If we have that in the red, 87 shows red, then that means that we've got it set up properly. If we have it flipped around this way, then that means that 87 is actually the hot lead, and that might mess you up on testing. So it's always a good idea to get it in the proper orientation, okay? Next, we're just going to install our current probe with the switch off, okay? The rocker switch is off. We're going to do that. I'm going to hook it around that lead, and then we're going to go to the scope, hit run. I've already set this up for 50 amps. Now we're going to hit our switch, turn our pump on, and then turn our pump off, okay? And you can see on the scope here, the current went negative, which it'll go either way, depending on how you have the probe hooked up. We can easily turn that around by hitting the invert function, okay? And then let's zoom in and have a look. So we can see there's our peak current, or that would be otherwise known as stall current, okay? 21 amps. And then our nominal current is about 8.5 amps, okay? We can take a look deeper here. You will see some bouncing here, and that's indicative of the switch that's inside of the uActivate unit. Nothing to be concerned about there. And if we come over here, we want to see how fast this pump is turning. We're going to pick up two repeating pulses here to estimate pump speed. And I'm going to select that low one there. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So typically you have 8 commutator bars on your armature. And the picoscope actually gives us the RPM right there, 5,500 RPM. These numbers may vary, but it's, if you're going to be doing this measurement, it's a good idea to practice that and take reference of what known goods are and what a bad one might look like. But this one here looks like it's in very healthy shape. We're hitting our peak amperage, 21 amps. That indicates a healthy circuit. And we've got nominal speed, and our amperage, our operating amperage is about 8 amps. So as you can see, using the uActivate to get into the circuit and interrogate it makes it very, very convenient for you when you're analyzing circuits like this. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching. uActivate, the ultimate relay circuit test assistant.